If your idea of a perfect beach day involves escaping the crowds, loud beach bars, and rows of commercial deck chairs, then welcome to your paradise, Smratina Beach, located on the northern side of the island of Vira. As you can see right away from the stunning drone view, this isn't your typical tourist hotspot. It is a completely wild, natural bay where the pine forest directly meets the turquoise Adriatic Sea. Today, we're giving you a raw, honest look at what makes this spot so unique and exactly how you need to prepare for it. Let's get one thing straight right away. Smratina is a true Robinson Crusoe style beach. Look at this view. The water here is incredibly shallow, crystal clear, and completely calm, making it look almost like a natural swimming pool. And that view across the sea to the majestic Velebit mountains, absolutely unforgettable. But because this is a preserved wild location, there is absolutely zero infrastructure. There are no cafes, no restaurants, no toilet facilities, and no rental shops. If you want to spend the day here, you must bring everything with you. Pack plenty of water and food. There's nowhere to buy a quick snack or a cold drink. Bring your own shade. While the pine trees behind the beach offer some natural cover, a beach umbrella or a tent is highly recommended if you plan to stay close to the shoreline. Don't forget water shoes. The entry is smooth and sandy in parts, but the surrounding terrain is beautifully rugged. Planning your trek out here is actually very straightforward. If you open up Google Maps and type in Plaja Smratina, the navigation will bring you right toward the access paths near the pine forest. The roads leading up to the wilder parts of the island can get a bit bumpy, so take your time driving down. If you love the idea of being close to this rugged, peaceful side of Vira, but still want absolute comfort at the end of the day, you need a great base camp. We highly recommend checking out Apartmani Eli. They offer fantastic, fully equipped accommodations on the island that give you the perfect balance of modern comfort after a long day playing castaway on a wild beach. Would you prefer a wild, completely natural beach like this, or do you need a beach bar nearby to fully relax? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next hidden corner of Croatia.